Tay's AI airplane educational videos are going completely viral right now. I found a channel called Exhaust TV. This channel has generated over 13,000 subscribers with just 20 videos and is getting millions of views with these AI airplane educational videos. On top of that, this channel earns $8,000 every month. If you don't believe me, here is the proof that channels like this get monetized. The crazy thing about these videos, they look highly professional and very expensive at first glance, but you can create them completely for free with AI in just a few minutes. So let's get started right away. First, go to ChatGPT and enter this long prompt. You can find the prompt in my free YouTube AI newsletter. Subscribe to the newsletter in the description. Copy the first part of the prompt and press enter. ChatGPT gives you 5 video ideas. If you want more ideas, you can write them in the text field below. Pick one. I'll go with the very first video idea. Now copy the next part of the prompt called the scripting prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT. At the top of the prompt, you now need the matching title in the field labeled title. Copy the title like I do here at number 1 and paste it into the prompt. Press enter. ChatGPT will now write you a great script tailored to your video idea. Copy the script and open 11 Labs. Sign up for free. Pass to the script, choose a deep voice like this one here.
Slow you progress, you are still way ahead of everyone who isn't trying.
Here you can adjust the speed or tone of the voice. Press generate.
Airplane wings aren't supposed to look like this. When a massive...
That sounds great. Download the voiceover. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the remaining part called image and video prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Here too, you need to insert your already created script into the script section. Copy the script and paste it in. Press enter. ChatGPT will now create 5 scenes and for each one an image prompt and a video prompt. Let's start at the top. Copy the first image prompt from scene 1 and go to Google Flow. Select the image function and the 16:9 format. Paste the first prompt in here. Press generate. While Google Flow is generating your images, you can move straight on to the second image prompt. Copy and paste. The settings stay the same. Generate. Now do this with all the remaining image prompts. After you have generated all your images, copy your first video prompt from scene 1. Select the first image in Google Flow, choose video and the 16:9 format. Paste the prompt in. Enter. Google Flow will create the videos matching the scenes and images we generated before. Copy the second video prompt right away. Select the matching second image in Google Flow, paste the prompt in and press generate as well. Now do this with all the video prompts. Don't forget to download all the videos and images. After you have now generated all the videos and images, go back to ChatGPT, type next into the text field. ChatGPT will generate the additional scenes you need for the video. Repeat the process, generate the image and then the video. It won't take long. Once you have generated all the videos and images, open CapCut. Add the voiceover. Can select the videos scene by scene in the correct order and insert them properly. Perfect.
Airplane wings aren't supposed to look like this. When a massive jet takes off, its wings can bend up to 7 meters. That's like stacking 2 full cars on top of each other. It looks like they're about to snap at any second. But here's the weird part. If they didn't bend like that, the entire plane would actually be in serious danger. And once you understand why, you'll never look at airplanes the same way again. Think about what's happening here.
Now subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and videos about YouTube automation with AI. Like the video if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to my free newsletter so I can send you the prompt from the video. Link in the description. Check out my other videos and click on my next video. See you there.